Hello, friends! It's Teddy here, and today we'll be drawing Blue Beetle from DC Comics. Let's get started. Begin by drawing an oval shape as the base. Inside the oval, add a U shape for the eye and place a small dot within it. Around each eye, create a fin-like shape. Repeat the steps for the other eye. Now, draw a horizontal D-like shape for the mouth. Just below it, add a reverse V shape. On top of the head, draw a curve, followed by a horizontal line. Connect this with the shape below using a curve. Complete the other side of the face by adding an F-like shape. Next, draw a big C curve around the face, and a smaller C curve for the ear. Let's move on to the body. Draw a series of C curves and straight lines to form the torso and legs. For the shoulder, create a reverse D shape. Extend a curved pipe shape from it and join it with C curves for the fingers. Complete the torso by drawing a curve. Repeat the same shapes on the other side to complete the other arm. Draw a V shape for the chest and add the beetle symbol. Add texture to the body by incorporating oval shapes and C curves within it. Finally, draw claw-like shapes for the wings on both sides. And there you have it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more drawing tutorials. Until then, happy drawing!